So why SmarterEPC? They have to implement and could transpose the directive, the EPDD, but they may not know how. Hello, we are here at the Sustainable Energy Week with Sophie. She's the coordinator of SmarterEPC. Hello, Sophie. Hi. Hello. Hi. So, why are you here? Why SmarterEPC? The purpose of the project is to integrate SRI into EPCs. So if I explain what it means, so EPCs are the energy performance certificates. So these certificates are a way to assess whether or not, or to which extent, a building or dwelling is energy efficient. For instance, are assessed, and then you have a score, a class of your EPCs. And there is now also the SRI. SRI, it means the Smart Readiness Indicator. So it's a new scheme, it's something different but complementary. Smart Readiness Indicator, it's about assessing whether or not, or to which extent, a building is smart. So for instance, we are not looking at the insulation of the walls because it is passive. Instead, we are looking at active elements of a building or technical building systems. You have a heating system, but do you have a smart thermostat? Can you schedule the temperature according to a certain schedule, like in weekdays, in weekends, etc. So these kind of things are assessed by the SRIs. And now I'm coming to SmarterEPC. So it's a relatively new project. And the purpose of SmarterEPC is to make the instrument work. And the angle that we are taking in this project is to integrate SRI and EPC. So it would be the same assessor that would assess at the same time the energy performance and the smart readiness, and that would deliver a single certificate. It's just a new topic that needs to be explored, and solutions and tools are maybe not. This is what we are doing in the SmarterEPC project. Yeah, it's relevant to member states because they have to implement and could transpose the directive, the EPDD, that was revised last year in 2024. But they may not know how. They may have a limited capacity to make some tests, develop some solutions, some methodologies. So what we want to do with SmarterEPC is to put on the table, to make available for member states some solutions. So for instance, we have developed a certificate template for joint EPC and SRI certificates, and member states can decide to use it or not, or only partly. And we are doing the same also with the data collection to assess the performance of the buildings. So either the energy performance or smart readiness or both combined. You need some processes to collect data, etc. Member states don't have this at hand, and so we are developing such a procedure, and then we are offering it or making it available to member states, and they can test it, they can use it entirely or partly. Thank you, Sophie. So follow us for more updates on what we are doing on SmarterEPC.